Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. From here we have to swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support. And in settings and support we tap on settings and privacy. Here we scroll down again and tap on notifications. Then in notifications we tap on preferences. Here we tap on email notifications, and here we can turn it off in the top right corner by tapping this button, so we won't get any email notifications. But if we leave it turned on, we can select the kinds of notifications that we want to receive by email. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.